System yaheebwayo erimu inverter, battery mukaaga, solar panels 8 ebirikwijja kuheereza irwariro eri amashanyarazi ag'eizooba.
The solar system to Mpungu Health Center 3, and I have handed it over to the district health officer and the in charge of this health facility.
Sol Seremba Orukwebembera Insurance Training College yayereka ngo bakashabwa Minister Henry Musasizi okwijja mu kyangeeki okuhwera omubuheereza obw'ebyamagara.
And we found that one of the challenges that we had here
kuba ikiri hano bashangaho ekizibe cyakiriho munonga.
It was the power problem.
Cyakiri ekikwatirine n'amashanyarazi.
There was a solar system that had been spoiled by lightning.
Soora eyimuramanyeje yitu ekaba yashishibwe emirabyo.
And when we came,
kubizire,
when we interacted with the people,
kubaganirire n'abace omurimwe,
we found that that was very, very important.
Mwabagambira ngo ekimuretaga kuno n'amashanyarazi kugira ngo irwariro ryanyu rikore kuri.
Dr. Abdon Birungi Orukwebembera ebyamagara mu Rubanda yayereka ngo byaheebwayo nibyeja kwera irwariro eri herukwera abantu abarengereka kaga buri kwezi.
And ukumara obuheereza buturaha, our mothers have been delivering especially in the dark during the night. So mazima aba insurance training college ilizamwije n'amakuru marungi sura abahonare mu minister, and we are so grateful that now annually Mpungu araze kuba haraka obwire bwona
omuntu yakore birungi ne mumuramugaruzamo. Honorable Minister wija elizoba kukora cy'abajumwe bakoreta muri corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility ni kugaruka nyuma okasima abompaho abana kwasa. Now, Ituka College, we are excited, we are happy to be back, support and appreciate the minister.
Omukugamba kwe Minisita Musasizi yasiima itendekero eri ab'okubasakurira okushaba kwe nuko bakahwera abantu bonna.
Mpungu egi tukashanga health center ya kabiri, ngeno tukagikuza health center ya kashatu. Ati omunarugira safari ari kugira taraiba tuhere TV n'amashanyarazi. Ngeno safari kizibu cyawe cy'amashanyarazi zatwashimana. Iyo ngo warakoze sabyo, iyo arenda ngo bikore hati byaza gukora.
Obuheereza bw'ebyamagara mu marwariro mengi omu byaro n'okuteganisibwa ibura ry'amashanyarazi. Gashakwa Hweza Wilfred.